Oh, look who just showed up for the party. It is March 15th, I think. And last year, they showed up on March 13th. We have to get that goose nest platform out today. The weather has been absolutely horrible to try and get it out, so we gotta do it now this weekend. Welcome home. Yeah, it's kind of that awkwardness when you're the first one that shows up for a party. And you wait. Well, I think this was the right address. Oh man, that Google Maps takes you in the weirdest places sometimes. Shoot, I wonder if they went that way. Yeah, real funny, guys. Oh yeah, go meet us there at 9 o'clock. There's gonna be a whole bunch of chicks just waiting for us. It's gonna be a big party. Mm-hmm. Where are you guys?